You spend hours gaming, collecting rare skins, watching streamers, mastering mods, NFTs, and dominating competitive matches. But let me ask you something. What have you actually done with all that knowledge, besides having fun? What if I told you that everything you already do, yes, exactly that, could become a brand new source of income? No suits, no boring adult talk, just $100 and a little bit of vision. If you think investing is something for old people, this video is going to flip your mindset. Stick with me till the end, because today you're going to learn how to start investing without giving up what you love: games, tech, and total freedom. Let's go. The truth is, most young people think investing is complicated, boring, and worst of all, pointless. Just hearing the word investment feels like homework or spreadsheets that only grown-ups understand. But it's not like that. In fact, investing is just another game, only this time, you're playing with money on hardcore mode. Think about it. When you build the perfect loadout in an RPG or buy a skin that boosts your performance, you're strategizing. You're calculating, you're making choices. Same thing applies to investing. Instead of XP, you earn interest. Instead of loot boxes, you collect assets. Investing can be just as thrilling as taking down a tough boss or climbing ranks in your favorite game. It's all about how you play it. Now think about this. How many times have you dropped cash on a battle pass or bought a skin that only gave you a new look? What if you started putting some of that cash into something smarter? Gamers already have the right mindset. Focus, resilience, quick decision-making, and risk assessment. These are exactly the traits of successful investors. If you compete, stream, edit videos, or manage online communities, you're already ahead. It's not about lacking skill, it's about lacking direction. Now's the time to apply everything you know to something that can bring real returns in dollars, and that grows over time. And the best part? You can start right now with just $100. Let's cut to the chase. How do you actually turn that $100 into a new income stream? There are several ways, and I'll break down the most practical ones. First up, play to earn games. Yes, earning money by playing is 100% real. Games like Gods Unchained are free and reward players with crypto and tradable digital cards. Think of it like getting a rare drop you can sell for real money. Some games like Axie Infinity need a bigger buy-in, but there are plenty of free or low-entry titles that are rising fast. The key is to get in early and play smart. It's not free money, but it's a real income based on doing what you already enjoy. Next method, micro-investing in cryptocurrency. Platforms like Binance or Coinbase let you start with really small amounts. With $100, you can easily split off $10 or $20 to learn and experiment. Don't just buy trending coins. Stick to cryptos with strong projects behind them, like Ethereum, or emerging altcoins with real utility. Think of it like buying a rare item early before it becomes OP. The more you study the ecosystem, the better you'll play the game and avoid losing everything from bad decisions. Third way, NFTs with real utility. Forget about those monkey JPEGs. The new wave of NFTs is actually useful. In some games, NFTs are your characters, weapons, or exclusive passes that give you bonuses or daily rewards. You use them, earn with them, and when you're done, you sell them. With $100, you can enter new projects during launch or pre-sale before prices skyrocket. Just make sure to research well before jumping in. No hype buying allowed. Fourth option, streaming and content creation. If you're already playing games, editing clips, or doing lives, you're sitting on a money-making machine. Platforms like Twitch, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts let you monetize even with small audiences. Think tips, super chats, affiliate links, and platforms like Ko-fi or Patreon. You don't need millions of followers. A solid, engaged micro-audience can bring in real cash. Use part of your $100 to upgrade your mic, buy overlays, or learn basic editing skills. That's how you level up fast. Fifth and final option, invest in a skill and start selling it. Arguably the most reliable way. Use part of your $100 to learn something that gamers and creators need. Video editing, thumbnail design, stream overlays, channel branding, even custom PC builds. These services are in demand. Learn, practice, and start offering them online. Sites like Fiverr, Workana, or Discord communities are filled with people looking for exactly this kind of help. And since you already understand the space, you've got an edge. Quick warning before you rush off throwing money around. Just because you can start with a small amount doesn't mean you should go in blind. A lot of people lose money because they jump in without knowing what they're doing. Crypto and NFTs aren't toys. If you don't research, you'll fall for scams, get stuck in dead projects, or panic sell during price drops. Same goes for P2E games that look shiny but collapse in months. So divide your $100 smartly: 50% for C action, 30% for learning, 20% as backup. That's smart gamer strategy, like saving a potion for the final boss. If you're still with me, let's create a quick action plan so you can actually do something after watching this. Step 1. Choose one of the ideas I talked about and research it for 30 minutes. Seriously, use reliable channels, read white papers, look for honest reviews. Step 2. Use $10 to test something out. Buy a crypto, try an NFT game, or invest in a short course. Step 3. Drop a comment below with the idea you picked. It'll help you commit. And step 4. Come back in a week and share your results. That'll motivate you and help others too. You don't have to quit gaming or become a stock market nerd to start investing. You just need to change how you see what you already do. Every match, every stream, every clip could be part of a system that prints money. If you know how to play, you know how to invest. You just haven't used that skill yet. If this video helped shift your mindset, drop a like, subscribe, and share it with that one friend who still thinks investing is for boomers. And hey, next video, I'll show you how to turn an indie game into passive income, with real examples and zero fluff. Hit the bell because this game is just getting started.